Hello, in this short video, I will show you how to find end employment on the payroll on Xero. So with a new version of Xero this year, what you need to do is you go to your employees, then you select the employees you need to end employment for. And now under the employee profile, you go into the three dots, click on three dots. You have a few options here, such as upload photo, documents, such as P60. You can export the contact as well. And finally, you can add employment. So when you click employment, you enter the last date that's required for your last payroll for this employer, and then click add employment. So when you go back to your employees list, you will not see the current employer we just deleted, and you can go to the past section and you can now see Charlotte appearing on the list as a past employee. And if you need to download any forms, P45, you simply select the contact, download P45. Also, you can click on three dots on the right hand side, download P60 or download CSV format file. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.